What is Bandha and Kumbhak in yoga? Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me, your yoga teacher Shiva from my channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important today's topics, especially what is Bandha and Kumbhak in yoga. If you are newcomer in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, like my video and comment on the comment box. If you feel this video is very useful for your friends, colleagues, and loved one, you can share this video in any social networks. There are numerous misconceptions about the yoga. Only yoga is not only practicing exercise or yogas or asanas. There are different types of fields available in yoga, especially Bandha and Kumbhaka. This is also very important. You had already listened about the Kumbhaka, Abhentar Kumbhak, Antarik Kumbhak or Bahya Kumbhak. Antarik Kumbhak and Bahya Kumbhak, if we hold your breath outside, that is called retention. When your breath is inside, that is suspension and retention. Therefore, in yoga, you had already listened about the especially Bandha as well. Bandha means channel, especially when we are to water field, especially for to germinate anything in our field, we are making the special channels. In this way, if we 7 to 1000 channels are available in our body, if we manage that channels very well, definitely our health condition is very improving, and we can day by day we can easily manage our health condition very nice. Especially IBS problems, diabetes problems, or any types of problems, our living style disorder, especially psychosomatic disease, all these diseases are directly connected to our brain, our organs. Therefore, we can practicing these Kumbhaka and Bandha together. That is very important. Channelize our body. Especially in our body, there are 96 space of especially finger in our body. There are extra 12 finger are the extra aura. Together 96 plus 12 is equal to 100. Therefore, in yoga there are numerous holy things in 108. Therefore, you can keep your mind that. But in this digital and competitive world, many people are teaching, or many gurus are teaching as not a classical yoga. They are modifying yoga as a some yogis are only dancing Zumba. Then directly the converting Kriya Yoga is converting into the Pranayama. That is not correct. If you think that if you are running very fast, at that time you are very deep breathing, fast breathing, then you feel very laziness and lethargic. because of lack of exercise or lack of oxygen in our body. Therefore, our motto is not to lack oxygen in our body, to improve oxygen level in our body and detox our body and manage our body very properly. Especially Yogsithit Rishi Patanjali said that Chitta Vritti Nirodha. If we stoppage of fluctuation of mind in our body, in our mind there are ahamkara, rish, rag, daha, vaimanasyata, mana, especially chitta, especially different things are available in our body. To manage such things very properly is the yoga. Yujjate ananye iti yoga. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual. Use means add or additional or combination of all these three things. Therefore, yoga is developed. Therefore, we can apply our ancestors' yogis very perfect method of teaching in yoga. You can also learn about that what is good and what is wrong in your learning process. Then I will provide you today especially three types of bandhas are available: Jalandhar bandha, Uddiyana bandha and Mula bandha. Then in Kumbhaka, retention and suspension. If you can hold your breath inside and hold your breath, that is called retention. And when your breath is outside and hold your breath, that is called suspension. Bahya Kumbhak and Antarik Kumbhak. Then let's start. First of all, Jalandhar bandha. Jalandhar bandha is a very good for our brain area. All channels are or all veins, nerves are going to by the pathway of the throat. Therefore, if we sometimes hold your breath or tightly close your breath in our throat area, definitely our brain is taking little bit rest and it boosts very fruitful knowledge. And the especially neurotransmitter is also very improving, and especially our brain area is very relaxation. Let's start again. You can sit, practice any way, exhaling at if you are suffering from high blood pressure, hernia, diarrhea, ulcer, cancer, high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, related absence, sciatica pain, back pain, any types of injury in the time of pregnancy, in the time of period, you can avoid this, especially suspension, that is directly hamper our heart, lungs and asthma problem. Again, I will provide you seated and meditative yoga posture. Let's start again. Only I am providing 2 rounds of the Jalandhar bandha or throat chakra bandha, and I will provide you the Uddiyana bandha. It is very good for liver, kidney, spleen, pancreatic glands, insulin, especially the peristalsis movement of our belly, especially digestive system, to release Apan Vayu, to improve Samana Vayu. Let's start again. Long exhalation, hold your breath outside, tightly close your throat chakra and tightly push your belly inside and hold your breath. This is very good for spine health as well, to elongate spine. Let's start. Take a little rest, 1 minute rest between one round to another round. Hold your breath depend upon your efficiency or breathing efficiency. Then slowly and gently you can take a little bit rest between one round to another round. Then this Uddiyana Bandha is also very good for our especially to channelize Manipur Chakra, the relationship between Manipur Chakra, especially Apana Vayu and Samana Vayu and Prana Vayu. That is very excellent practice. Then I will provide you again one round of this. You can practice on the standing variation as well. Let's start again. Then you can take little bit rest between another hand. Then you can practicing the Mula Bandha. Mula Bandha is a very good channelizer to especially our all energy. Most of the energy is wasting from the gravity. Therefore, it is very improving and accompanying your especially energy upper body part or spine area. This is very good to improve our posture, to PCOD, PCOS, especially uterine tract infection, fertility. There are numerous benefits of this Uddiyana Bandha, especially the Mula Bandha. It is very good for especially your piles problems, your constipation, acidity, bloating. Especially you can take an example of the horse. Uddiyana Bandha or Mula Bandha is very extended, therefore it is practicing Ashwini in the time of passing especially school. Let's start again. You can practice the Mula Bandha. Exhaling. Long inhalation, hold your breath outside, tightly close your throat chakra and tightly push your belly inside and tightly press your anus area up and hold your breath. That's called the Mula Bandha. If we practicing all these things, three things together, that is called the Mahabandha. Let's start again. You can practicing Mahabandha in Nauli Kriya or any Bandha as well. Let's start again. You can practicing all these things while studying variation as well. Long exhalation, hold your breath outside, tightly close your throat chakra, that is Jalandhar Bandha, tightly push your belly inside, that is called Uddiyana Bandha. Tightly push your belly, especially perineum area or especially anus area up, and that is called the very good Mula Bandha. If we together practice all these things, that is called the Mahabandha. I will provide you again on Mahabandha last time. Thank you for watching videos completely with me. Namaskar.